Welcome to St Mary's Catholic School, part of the St Francis of Assisi Catholic Academy Trust. At St Mary's Catholic School we have a 125-year tradition of being dedicated to achieving excellence for all, producing young people formed by gospel values to become responsible, caring members of society whilst fulfilling their potential in all aspects of the curriculum. The shared values of the school community are summarised by 3 words which underpin everything that we do, providing strong foundations for all that we strive to achieve. Love for Christ and for each other as peacemakers made in the image of God. This can be demonstrated by kindness, forgiveness and care. Respect as demonstrated by being calm, smart, polite, purposeful and prayerful. Having high expectations, caring for our community and all creation. And finally, we want every child to flourish, academically, artistically, physically, culturally and spiritually. This can be demonstrated not only in the excellent examination results which our students achieve every year at GCSE and A-level, but every day in school through active engagement and taking a pride in all that we do.
We offer a traditional academic curriculum ensuring that lessons challenge the students to think deeply and to develop excellent knowledge and skills. Students at St Mary's Catholic School are keen, eager and excited to learn and able to flourish due to the settled and harmonious community that has been established here over many years.
Even before I arrived at St Mary's in Year 7, I already felt like a part of one big family. I feel supported not only by my teachers but also other students. All of the students across the different year groups get on so well together and support one another, both in class and through our house system. I am in Colby House and have been chosen to be a sports leader.
Students make lifelong friends at St Mary's and achieve academic excellence, but alongside and integral to that is that they are encouraged to develop their own special relationship with God. We have a vibrant chaplaincy team and strong links with the parishes we serve.
Developing gospel values and each student's faith is at the core of the work at St Mary's Catholic School. It's important that the students reflect on God's message and the place He has for each of them in the world and the influence they can have for the good of those around them.
I'm in Year 7 and I have settled into St Mary's so quickly. I am encouraged to be independent and more responsible. There are lots of clubs I've joined, choir and netball. The teachers have high standards and I enjoy challenging myself to be my very best.
We think of joining St Mary's as the first step on a 7-year journey from Year 7 to the 6th form. During that time, each student will enjoy a broad extracurricular offer, including opportunities to go on day, residential or overseas trips, join clubs and sports teams and get involved in charity and community work.
Our Year 13 students achieve top grades at A-level and gain places at the very best universities, including Oxford and Cambridge, or choose to take up apprenticeships with prestigious companies. Importantly though, sixth form students leave not only with excellent academic qualifications, but as well-rounded, ambitious and thoughtful young men and women.
Being in sixth form is a real privilege, and it's great to know if I work hard, I'll get the grades I need to be a doctor. And at the same time, I enjoy giving back to the community, mentoring younger students and leading events such as Charity Week.
Our learning environment at St Mary's is exceptional and really contributes to the overall learning experience at the school. We have invested in excellent new facilities, classrooms and other areas to enhance the curriculum and daily life in school.
St Mary's is a fantastic school, a true community and an enjoyable place to be. I'll always be part of the St Mary's family. My experience here will stay with me for the rest of my life.